Innovative land restoration techniques are gaining traction globally, contributing to a healthier earth. In the Sahel region of Africa, farmer-led initiatives are using zai pits, a traditional planting method that increases soil fertility and rehabilitates degraded lands. China is pioneering the Grain for Green program, converting farmland back to forest to combat desertification. Meanwhile, Spain's replanting of native tree species in areas affected by forest fires employs drones for rapid reforestation. Additionally, the Netherlands is experimenting with salt marsh creation, simultaneously enhancing biodiversity and protecting coastlines. These diverse approaches exhibit how combining traditional knowledge with advanced technology can restore ecosystems effectively.